Hi everyone, welcome to Decepted 101, the channel that will teach you all about magic and flourishing. So if you are new, consider subscribing. And today's tutorial, you're going to be learning a magic trick, a really fun to do magic trick with a pencil and an eraser. So you're going to learn this in this video, and also please let me know in the comments below which type of magic is your favorite beside cards magic, because cards magic is really common and really popular, but magic with toothpicks, pencils, erasers and even matchsticks is really rare and really fun to practice. So please comment down below which is your favorite magic type besides card magic. So now grab your pencil and eraser and let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using a normal eraser and a normal pencil to show you guys something that will blow your minds. So watch closely. I'm going to take the eraser right over here and I'm going to place it in my hand just like so. And now watch. I'm going to cast a spell onto the eraser. 1, 2 and 3. Wait a minute, where's the pencil? Oh, it's here. I think I cast the spell wrong. It's not 1, 2 and 3, it's actually 3, 2 and 1. So I'm going to try the spell once again. So it's 3 and 2 and 1. I think the spell worked because, as you can see, the eraser. You can also look on the floor. There is nowhere an eraser, as you can see. And also I can show you my pockets. It's actually empty, as you can see. This one and also this one. So guys, that's the trick, and now let's learn how to do it. Okay, so here's how you do it. So first of all, take the eraser and hold it in your hand and just shut your wrist, okay? So just be casual, because this is a trick in which you have to be sneaky, so you have to be as casual as you can. You don't want a spectator to be skeptical, so you just want to shut your wrist very freely and very casually. So now once you have shut the wrist, just keep it right here at your waist level, right over there, and make your spectators focus on this hand, okay? And once their focus is on this hand, you're gonna do the sneaky move. So you're gonna take the pencil and you're gonna do 1 and 2, and at the third time you're going to take this and you're going to stick it in your ear, okay? So you're gonna do 1 and just lift your hand, okay, up, and just be very fast. So you do 1, 2, and the third time, here's basically what you're going to do. You are here and you're going to do 1, 2, and the third time you're going to take it and you're going to stick it right over here at the ear, like so, okay? So once again, you're gonna do 1, 2, and the third time just stick it in your ear and just do 3. And when you come back, this pencil has vanished, so the spectator will be like, what happened? And then you're gonna say that, oh, I think the pencil has vanished. And then you're gonna say that I'm feeling something in my ear actually, and then you're gonna show them that the pencil has transported to the ear. And then you're gonna say, I think I told the spell wrong. And now basically here, whatever you do, the spectator knows what you did, and they're gonna be like laughing and smiling. And while they're doing this, you're going to take the eraser and just stick it in your pocket, and you can also throw it away somewhere if you want to, because you don't really need it in the rest of the trick. So you can just throw it away, but that's a bit too much, so you can just stick it in your pocket if you want to, and just take the eraser and stick it in your pocket like so. And after that, just keep your wrist like so, okay? And after that, you're gonna say that I think I told the spell wrong and I'm gonna do it once again. And the spectator thinks that you're just joking and something like that, but then you do the spell again, and this time just completely normal. 1, 2 and 3, and then you can just rub your hand and show them that it has vanished. And then you can just show them your pockets. Here's basically what I do. I just reach inside my pocket and I hold the eraser and I take out the eraser along with the inner cloth of my pocket like so, and show them it's not here. And then I can just turn around and show them the other pocket if I want. So guys, that was the video, and I do hope that this video helped you out. And if it did, then please drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel. It would really support the channel and I would really appreciate it, and it will also motivate me to make these videos for you guys. So I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Until then, goodbye, take care.